Welcome back to Linguachat, your go-to channel for real English tips that actually help you sound natural. Today, I'm tackling 10 common mistakes English learners make and how to fix them. Trust me, you've probably made at least one of these before. So let's jump in. Number 1. Do you can help me? Now, you might hear, excuse me, do you can help me find the station? But here's the deal. Can is a modal verb, so you don't need do with it. Just flip it around. Can you help me? Much smoother, right? Number 2, I didn't went there. You might say I didn't went to the party yesterday, but after didn't, the verb should be in its base form. So I didn't go to the party. Remember, did already shows the past. No need to add went. Number 3, I'm interested in books. Listen to this. I'm interested in sci-fi books. But interesting describes things, not people. The right way? I'm interested in sci-fi books. You feel interested. The book is interesting. Number 4, let's discuss about it. You might say, let's discuss about your idea later. But discuss already means talk about. So just say, let's discuss your idea later. Discuss plus the topic. That's it. Number 5, I look forward to meet you. Maybe, I look forward to meet you next week, but to is a preposition here. It needs a verb ending in ing. So, I look forward to meeting you. Look forward to plus verbing. Not meet, but meeting. Number 6, it depends of the weather, like it depends of the traffic. But we say depends on, not of. So, it depends on the weather, or it depends on the traffic. Always depends on, never of. Number 7, I'm not understanding. Sorry, I'm not understanding this rule. But understand is a stative verb. Don't use it in the continuous form. So I don't understand this rule. With verbs like understand, know, believe, use simple tense. Number 8, he has much friends. For example, he has much friends in school. But much is for uncountable nouns. Friends is countable. So, he has many friends. Use many with countable things, like books, people, chairs. Number 9, I'm living here since 2010. You might say, I'm living here since 2010. But since needs the present perfect tense, not present continuous. So, I have lived here since 2010. Use have or has plus past participle with since or for. And finally, number 10, can you explain me this? Like, can you explain me this sentence, but explain needs to plus the person? So can you explain this to me? Say, explain something to someone, not explain me. How many of these mistakes have you made before? Don't worry, we all start somewhere. The best part is, now you know how to fix them. Let me know in the comments which one surprised you the most. And if this helped you, give it a like, hit that subscribe button, and turn on the bell for more natural English lessons every week. Thanks for watching Linguachat, where English becomes natural. See you next time.